Yeah, you like that? Oh, does that taste good?
Oh, you
Oh.
loving you good day.
Fresh little head giver.
I don't want him on my head. I'm scared of that.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, hold on. Don't get there too down now.
What are we doing here? Is it doing it now? Huh?
Yeah.
It's videoing it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, shit.
Get up on my shoulder. Get up there.
Right in the sunlight.
I can't sing this song. Fred. I love you too. Let's sing us a song, Fred.
Stay up here.
Come on, Fred.
Oh, he don't want me. He wants you to pick it up. Get up here, Fred. Come on, Fred.
Get up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Hey, come here.
There you go.
Come on.
He lost his balance. Throw him straight out like this.
Oh.
Now move it. There you go. They said I'm one of the other song. I like the other song, man.
Yeah.
How long does this go on, Gabe? Huh?
I love it.
The sun is like not good behind you.
Hold your arm.
I had played with these birds for a minute.
Walk with him, Gabe. Oh, you loving Gabe, aren't you? You loving some Gabe right now. I know it. Loving him some Gabe right now. I know it.
I could just snap my necklace.
Yeah, he's loving him some Gabe right now. Ooh, I lost it. Sunshine. Loving her. I know it. Yeah.
Don't let her eat my necklace.
He's not. He's just...
I want to get sick or something. It's reasonable. I mean, yeah.
Oh, you got a necklace on?
Yeah, look, it's eating the shell part.
Oh, you don't want him to do that.
Don't let him do that.
Okay,
Come on.
Ben, you take him.
Come here, Fred. Step up.
He really is too, for real. He's
Step
my
up,
next-
Fred.
I
Shit.
ain't tripping on that, 'cause I
Shit
told him
like
to
that.
stick, for real.
Rub it down, and then
Come on, Fred.
Yeah.
Step up. No, I got it. Look, move. Step up. Come on, Fred. Come on. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up.
he don't want to leave Gabe.
There you go. Step up.
I really think he was best for it. I think he was eating pieces of my necklace plate.
He is his shell. He thinks
Yeah.
he thinks it's oyster shell. It's good for his stomach.
Step
Oh,
up.
is it?
Fred.
Well, I don't want to eat my necklace any damn way. I was saying.
Come on, buddy.
I didn't want to do
Okay, when does this end?
Hey, down.
Oh, it don't never end.
no.
Daniel, I got one cigarette left, man.
Here, you finish videoing.
For $5, it says I got another pack of cigarettes. Everybody smile, say cheese. For Jay, please stop. Look, sir. Tell Ferd to say cheese. Look. What? No, he's like, I don't know. I don't know, I got dizzy. They kept walking in fucking circles. I ain't a lot of.
That's in the truck or something, man. I don't know. Step up, Fred.
Oh.
I bet you.